My 2012 Eco Chevy Cruze. I put 31,700 miles on it so far. It's got, I think, 150,000 on it now. I had a lot of trouble with the trunk opening on its own. The key fob, when it's in your pocket, if it moves around, it can open the trunk. I'd be at Walmart and the trunk would open on its own. I'd come out and the trunk's open. See that one right there with the square right there? I took a knife and cut that all out. That's the button for the trunk, to open the trunk. So now I push a key in there if I want to open the trunk. Before that was getting pushed in on somehow, in my pocket probably, and it would open the trunk. I come out in the morning to my car and the trunk's open. Many times that happened. So I cut that square out. I cut the button out. I took a knife and cut it out. There's no way to open the trunk without pushing a key into that button. This has been a good car. It's a 6-speed manual. It's called the Eco Chevy Cruze. 4-cylinder, turbocharged. 50 plus miles to the gallon if I drive at 55 with the AC off. If I turn the AC on, it'll eat up 10 miles to the gallon on the highway. And it'll eat up 15 miles to the gallon in the city. It's horrible in the city on fuel if I run the air. The air's nice and cold though. The air gives out about once every year and a half. The last time my mechanic Jose fixed the air for me, Ice Cold Auto Air wanted $90 just to check it. My mechanic told me to get the cans of Freon and he'll put them in for $10. But he would not put leak sealer in for me. I wanted leak sealer put in. And he got it freezing cold. Right at about another year and a half later, the AC got warm again. And he did the same thing. He put cans in for $10 plus the cans. I bought the cans, $10 to put them in. This time I made him put leak sealer in. Hopefully it won't leak again. If you're having trouble with the trunk opening on the Chevy Cruze, cut that button out. It's really a big deal, it is. I don't like to come out and have my car open. Maybe sit open all night. It's been a really good car. These cars eat up tires. They eat up tires bad. I don't know why, but the tires I got from Walmart were Goodyears. And they have less tread on them than a regular tire because they're, what do you call it? They're special tire made for like Walmart and Sam's Club that they can discount them so they don't have as much tread on them. But they eat up the tread. I can't believe that. I wish I would have bought BF Goodrich. I really wish I would have paid more and got BF Goodrich. I had BF Goodrich tires on 4 different Mercedes I own. They would not wear out. I'm shooting this video on a Sony 4K TRX 400 FGA. It should come out really good.